All right, y'all, welcome back to my channel, Misty's Pleasures of Life and good old Southern home cooking. Old-fashioned cooking, modern day cooking. I cook all kinds of ways, y'all. But welcome back to my channel. Tonight, we are doing homemade pizzas using our bread maker. And y'all are gonna love it. I know you are. I love this bread maker. I can't wait. I've done pizza dough in it before. But I cannot wait to start doing bread. I'm going to do a bread recipe here real soon. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And make sure, if you're not subscribed, you do subscribe, y'all. I do all kinds of things. And gardening season is starting. So get ready for that. Okay. I'm also a fish hobbyist. But let's go ahead and get started with our pizzas, y'all. Let's go.
Gather round, let the good times roll. Home cooking magic, it feeds the soul. From pies to stews, every bite's a delight. At Misty's Pleasures, everything feels right.
Alright, y'all, so we're going to do 1 cup of water in here. Warm water. Oh, that's not big enough. Let's switch this up. I don't think that's big enough either. Switch it up into here. So you want to make sure your water is warm. So you want 1 cup of water, warm water, with 1/2 tablespoon of active dry yeast. And you'll know when that's ready. Okay, y'all, this will help you understand when your yeast is activated if you've never used it before or if you're trying to become familiar with using it. So keep watching this because you're going to see it. It's already starting to activate. That's why it's foamy. But keep watching and you're going to see what happens. Okay, y'all, now that our yeast is activated, we're going to go ahead and put that into our bread machine. All right, now we're going to take 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I use extra virgin olive oil, and we are going to add that in. Okay, now we want to move to our dry ingredients, and we are going to add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. So this is our 1st cup, and then we'll follow in with our 2nd, and then our 1/2 cup. Okay, now y'all, we're going to come in with our automated salt shaker, and this is pink Mediterranean salt that we're adding. And I normally add about a teaspoon of this salt. And next, we are going to come in with the Mrs. Dash no salt garlic and herb, and we're going to do 2 tablespoons. Okay, y'all, next we are coming in with Kinder's lemon pepper, and we are going to add a tablespoon. You're adding these seasonings to flavor the pizza dough. All right, now if you want a little bit of spice in your life, we are adding in the organic crushed red pepper. These are the settings that I have on my machine. And I have a menu. So if you look right there, it says pizza dough number 12. So we're just going to hit our menu button till we get to 12. Then we're just going to hit start. And it starts turning. And we will let that work and do its thing. It has 45 minutes to make the dough. All right, y'all, our dough has risen, and we are now gonna roll this out, and then I'm gonna show you what I do after that. Now, I did already make the pepperoni pizza. I just forgot to show it to you all. That's the pepperoni one. Let me get this dough out of here. That was me talking. I said I need to take my used Alright, so we're going to press this out and put them out into my garden bed.
So bright and gray behind an empty space, can't always tell what you're thinking, but now it ain't the same. On and on we said with us forever.
Around the edges. And we're going to pre-bake this a little bit. So put it in 400-degree oven for 5 minutes. The pizzas I'm going to do is going to be a hamburger pizza. So I'm going to go ahead and add some ground beef to my pan right here. And this ground beef is good. It's just not real red anymore because I've had it in a baggie in the refrigerator for a couple days. But that's red dye they put into the meat anyway. It's not good for you. So we're going to do a hamburger. So we're going to do a hamburger pizza, or not hamburger, ground beef pizza and a pepperoni pizza. Okay, y'all, now we're going to put our pizza sauce on here. No, I mean, I like doing it, but I forget how long it takes to make the dough and all that, and then I'm in a situation like this at 8 o'clock at night.
Give me my pizza.
You and your pizza diet. I swear. I made that dough kind of spicy a little. Hello?
Spicy?
Yeah, you don't think it's got a little spice going on to it?
I think a little bit, yeah.